Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to add a note to seller on Etsy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Etsy, you can use the link in the description below and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Etsy, as you can see, I'm just going to choose a product that I want to buy. So for example, I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to choose the specifications, for example, right here, small, and after that I can just add this to my cart. And after adding this to my cart, I will be redirected to this shopping cart, and right there, as you can see, there will be a button right here. It says the add a note to the seller, and I can just add a simple note, and it's optional to add this notes, but yeah, you can just type whatever you want to say on the seller and whatever recommendation you want. And after that, you can just proceed to check out. And after checking out, that note will be delivered rightly by on the seller, and they will see it. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add a note to a seller on Etsy. And also, that's it for the tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.